Hello everyone, this is Josna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see three basic questions on software testing. Who does the testing, when to start testing, and when to stop testing. So one by one, we will see. First is who does testing. As we all know, testing is the process of evaluating a system or its component with the intent to find errors in the software. So, in simple words, testing is executing a system in order to identify gaps, errors, or missing requirements in contrary to the actual requirements. So, who does testing? So, it depends on the process and the associated stakeholders of the project. In IT industry, large companies have a team with responsibilities to evaluate the developed software in context of given the requirements. However, developers also conduct testing, which we call unit testing. In most cases, these are the four roles which perform the testings. First one is software tester, software developer, project lead or manager and end user. So different companies have different designations for people who test the software on the basis of their experience and knowledge, such as software tester, software quality assurance engineer, QA analyst, etc. So it is not possible to test the software at any time during its cycle. The next two questions tells us when to start testing and when to stop testing. So about when to start testing. An early start to testing reduces the cost and time to rework and produce error-free software that is delivered to the client. However, in software development lifecycle, testing can be started from the requirement gathering phase and continued till the deployment of the software. It also depends on the development model that is being used. For example, in waterfall model, formal testing is conducted in the testing phase. But in the incremental model, testing is performed at the end of every increment or iteration, and the whole application is tested at the end. So these are the some of the different forms where every phase of software development life cycle begins. First one is during the requirement gathering phase, the analysis and the verification requirements are also considered as testing. Second one is reviewing the design in the design phase with the intent to improve the design is also considered as testing. Also, testing performed by the developer on completion of the code is also categorized as testing. Next is when to stop testing. It is difficult to determine when to stop testing as testing is a never ending process and no one can claim that the software is 100% tested. So there are some aspects we follow when we want to stop the testing process. First one is testing deadlines. Second one is completion of the test cases or test executions. Completion of functional and code coverage to a certain point. The next one is bug rate falls below the certain level and no high priority bugs are identified. Then we can stop the testing. Also the management decision. Management can also decide when to stop testing. So this is all about these are the some of the three questions, basic questions which interviewer can ask while interviewing for software tester position. Thank you so much for watching the video.